Hello YouTube, Josh and Eric here, and today I'm going to do a knife review I bought a couple weeks ago. Sorry I haven't done it for a while because I've been busy, but it is a Frost Cutlery Homeland Heroes Firefighter or Fire Department knife, model 16657FF. Okay, here's the box it came in. I don't know if you can see it very well. And here's the knife. Came in a plastic bag. Here's the knife. And it has the fire department logo on the blade. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's got the fire department on the blade. It's got red composition handles and the black grip right there. And the when it's closed, it's 4.5 inches liner locking tactical black coated stainless steel blade. I already gone over the handles, and it's got adjustable tension setting, metal thumb stud, and metal pocket clip. But anyway, thanks for checking it out today. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.